Hey everyone, here's a question from rational numbers and I got this question from comments. The question is find 5 rational numbers between minus 1 by 5 and minus 4 by 15. So how to find out our rational numbers between two given rational numbers? So the method of finding out is same. So the first step is whenever we have given a rational number, we have to make sure that denominators are same. When the denominators are same, then we are able to find out the rational numbers between them. Like they should be like fraction. But you see here, one we have is 5 and one is 15. They are not same, right? So what we're going to do here is we're going to take the LCM so that we're going to make the denominator same. Now LCM, why are we finding LCM? Because it's a least common multiple. You can take any common multiple of 5 and 15, but let's go for least common multiple, which is LCM. Okay, so we're going to find out the LCM of the denominators, which is 5 and 15. Now 5 and 15. Now in case you have a question where denominators are already same, then you don't have to do the steps. Okay, so what is LCM of 5 and 15? So let's do that. So 5 and 15, so they are multiple of 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, and then 3 ones are 3. Multiply this to 3 fives are 15. So LCM of 5 and 15 is 15. Now I'm going to find out the equivalent rational number of minus 1 by 5, and for second number I'm not going to find out because the denominator is already 15, so we don't have to do anything. But for the first number, that is minus 1 by 5, I'm going to find out the equivalent rational number of minus 1 by 5. Now equivalent means they are equal, right? Now how to find out the equivalent rational number of minus 1 by 5 where the denominator should be equal to 15? Now there are two ways of finding out, one is by multiplying and one is by dividing. So if I divide this number, I will not get 15, which means I am multiplying. So with what number you should multiply to get 15? I have to multiply with 5. So we know that 5 threes are 15. So we are going to multiply with 3. Same 3 you should multiply in the numerator. So whatever changes you're doing in denominator, you should do it in the numerator. It should be balanced. You cannot just modify the denominator keeping the numerator same. The value of the number will change then. So you're going to multiply the number in the numerator and denominator. So this will become minus 3 by 15. Okay. Now here is a question. Now if you see this, now this is very important step here. Now remember minus 1 by 5 is same as minus 3 by 15. When you cancel them, you will get back minus 1 by 5. Now instead of taking minus 1 by 5, we are going to take minus 3 by 15. Okay. Now if you observe the numbers here, we have minus 3 by 15 and the second rational number is minus 4 by 15. Now denominators are there, okay, they are same. Now if you look at the numerator, we have minus 3 and we have minus 4. But the gap between minus 3 and minus 4 is not there. We want 5 rational numbers, right? But there's no numbers we can find out between them. So how to do this? Now there are infinitely many rational numbers between the two rational numbers. Okay, there are many rational numbers between, but we have to just find out any 5 between them. How to do in that case? Now in case you're stuck in this place when you're finding out where the numerators like you don't have a much gap between them, or if there's a gap only one number or two numbers you can able to find out, and then what to do? So what we're going to do here is we're going to again find out the equivalent rational number of both this number. So equivalent rational, already denominators are same, so you don't have to take the LCM there. Now what we're going to do, since you're asking a 5 rational number, you take any number more than 5 and multiply. You can take any number more than 5, that is from 6 onwards you can take any number. You can take 10, 100, 120, 1000 or 99, completely on you, and multiply both this number in the numerator and denominator. And why we're doing this? Because we want the gap between these two numbers to be more, so we can find out the rational numbers. So I'm going to multiply the first number minus 3 by 15. I'm going to multiply in the numerator and denominator with 10. See, I'm multiplying with 10 because it's easy to multiply. You can multiply with any number, like I said, more than 5, because they're asking 5 rational numbers, so the number should be more than that. And you can pick 20 or 30, completely on you, and your answer will be a bit different than my answer because you're multiplying with different number. So this will become minus 30 by 150, right? And the next number will be, it's a minus 4 by 15. So minus 4 by 15 is equal to, I'm going to multiply the numerator and denominator by 10. So this will be equal to minus 40 by 150. Now you can see that I am multiplying 10 with both the numbers. You should not change, otherwise denominator will be different. You can see denominator is 150 for both the numbers, and I have minus 30 here and minus 40 here. Now between these two numbers I have many numbers, like I have minus 29, minus 28, minus 31, minus 32, so on up to minus 39. I have this many numbers between minus 30 to minus 40. Yes, so from out of this from between these two numbers, you can just pick any 5 numbers and you can write down. So let me conclude the answer. Therefore, 5 rational numbers between, now remember they are equivalent rational number, means they are equal. When you cancel them, you will get back this number minus 1 by 5. They are all are equal. Now why we are doing, because we want a more gap, that's why we are finding out the equal rational number. So the 5 rational numbers between, I am going to write down minus 1 by 5 and minus 4 by 15 are, you can take any 5 numbers. So it will be minus 31 by 150, you can take minus 32 by 150, you can take minus 35 by 150, and 2 more like minus 37 by 150 and minus 39 by 150. That's it. So I hope this question is clear how to find out the rational numbers. In case you have further question or doubt, you can drop a comment. Thank you so much for watching.